This video will show the Project Baselines add-on in action both on the project task list and on the project Gantt chart. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the Project Baselines add-on enabled. From the task list, if you click Edit, you'll see Project Baselines in the drop-down if you have the Project Baselines add-on enabled. If you don't have it, it won't be here listed, and you'll need to go to the Add-ons menu, install the add-on, and configure it to your preferences. From there, you want to see if you have a baseline established for this project at all in the first place. So go ahead and click Edit, hit Project Baselines, and you'll be taken to any baselines that are already established for the project. You'll want to make sure that the baseline you want to see is the one that's set to current. If you would like a different baseline used in your visualizations on the task list or Gantt chart, you'll need to set that other one as current in place of the one that is current now. You can set multiple baselines, but you can only look at one baseline at a time in the Gantt chart or the task list. So now that we've established that we have a baseline from December of 2024, we can go back out to the task list and add that baseline to this task list here. To do that, you want to go to the filters icon, look at the different quick filters, and then skip down to more filters. Then you'll have different filter types you can choose from. The radio button you want to hit is this Show Baseline as a separate row. So just toggle that on as a checkbox and hit refresh. And then I can compare what the project schedule was in that baseline compared to what that project schedule is now. So you can see if there's differences between duration, work hours, time it was supposed to take, or anything else in the schedule. You can see that the draft charter was supposed to take 25 days and it's actually taken 40, and it was supposed to be 40 work hours, but it's taking quite a bit more than that. I can also go back up to the project views menu and click on the project Gantt chart. It's the same here, that you need to click filter and make sure that you're showing the baseline as a separate row in the Gantt. Just hit refresh. And then you'll be able to see using the gray lines where the schedule used to be set and where it has moved to now. You can also see baselines in the task report, or any other report. So if you go ahead to, let's just say, task report, and in the columns that you want to see on any reports, you can add in baselines. So you just scroll down to different baseline options. So you could see like the baseline end date, or the baseline projected percent complete, or the baseline start date. You can put all of those baseline comparisons into the columns of a report, and when you run the report, you'll see them compared to the scheduled and what is current. That's really exciting. For more information on how to set up project baselines, please refer to our help or support desk, documentation and knowledge base, or YouTube video.